Hi, Parkinson's disease. Let's make it simple and fast. Uh, yeah, Parkinson's disease. This is actually the celebrity who had suffered from Parkinson's disease is Muhammad Ali, boxer. Yeah, this is a progressive, purposeless, involuntary movement. Progressive, which means it is never going to come down. It always progresses, always increases with age. It starts uh, at adult onset at almost at the age of 60 years. Parkinson's disease is degeneration of basal ganglia, where dopamine is decreased. When there is decrease in dopamine, there is a gradual increase in acetylcholine. If there are higher levels of acetylcholine, which is suggestive of uncontrolled and involuntary movements. As we said, degeneration of basal ganglion. We know that function of basal ganglion, it is responsible for motor control. If there is damage, then speech, movement and postural abnormalities will be seen. That is the definition of Parkinson's disease. And disappearance of substantia nigra. Where is it present? Substantia nigra is present on basal ganglion on two sides of midbrain, and this disappears. This is substantia nigra is melanin containing dopaminergic neuron and presence of Lewy bodies will be there in Parkinson's disease. This is an MCQ. When it comes to Hirona bodies and tau protein, it is present in Alzheimer's disease, and that is also an MCQ. And first feature to be noted in Parkinson's disease is tremors. I shall remember it as TBR. This is actually a trait, TBR. Tremors, bradykinesia and rigidity. Out of these three, at least two has to be present for the patient to be diagnosed as Parkinson's. Tremors, pill roll tremors. Consider this as pill like a tablet. This is what is called pill roll tremors. It is also present. This is a hand tremor. This is also present when patient is at rest. And bradykinesia, which is slow performance. If a patient wants to urinate, but on his way to washroom, he passes out the urine. And rigidity. Rigidity means stiffness. He cannot perform the normal activity like cogwheel rigidity and lid pipe rigidity. Cogwheel rigidity is present in upper limb. He cannot move his, he cannot flex and extend his upper limb as flexible as possible. There will be stiffness. Vice versa with the lower limb also. With lower limb, it is known as lid pipe. And how is it diagnosed? There is no clinical diagnosis. No MRI or no CT scan is going to diagnose it. The only diagnosis is neurological examination. You ask the patient to write his name or ask him to write alphabet like this. Then it goes like a spider handwriting. Patient starts with uppercase. He starts with the size, and the size gradually decreases, which is known as micrographia. Words written by patient gradually decreases. And treatment is pramipexole, propanolol, levodopa, and these are the tablets. When it comes to rotigoin, this is a transdermal patch which has to be changed once a day. Other clinical features are depression, sleep disturbances, difficulty smelling, postural instability, masked faces. Because his face is paralyzed, he couldn't smile properly, expressionless faces due to rigidity of facial muscles, and fascinating gait. Blink rate decreases. Due to decrease in blink rate, what happens? Corneal exposure, keratitis, drying of cornea, and the artificial teardrops should be prescribed. Like methyl cellulose, I guess. Yeah. And fascinating gait. Fascinating gait is normal human. If you consider these two as lower limbs, normal human walk like this, and this is knee. Consider this as knee. And in fascinating gait, knee is flexed. He cannot extend it properly. So with this rigidity, he walks. No proper elaborating, sorry. And this is treatment. Other causes for causing Parkinson's disease is, first one, degeneration of basal ganglia, that is PARC gene chromosome 1 defect. And second one is secondary Parkinson's. Secondary Parkinson's means drug induced, the psychotic drugs like haloperidol and chlorpromazine. And hyperparathyroidism, where nephrocalcinosis takes place, and hypoparathyroidism, carbon monoxide poisoning, and presence of metal manganese also causes Parkinsonism. These are the causes, and atypical causes are Wilson's. In Wilson's disease also, deposition of copper, autosomal recessive chromosome 13 defect, and deposition of copper in basal ganglia. Phase of panda sign is seen on MRI. Number 2 is Hallowell-Spatz disease. Number 3 is Huntington's chorea. These are atypical causes. These are MCQs, so I also mentioned it, the sign seen on MRI. Sign seen on MRI in Wilson's is phase of panda sign. In Hallowell-Spatz sign, this is iron deposition in putamen. Eye of tiger sign on MRI is seen. Huntington's chorea, excessive dopamine, and chromosome 4 defect. Summary is, most common cause of Parkinsonism is Parkinson's disease. Gold standard treatment is levodopa, but drug of choice is pramipexole. Atypical causes are Wilson's disease, where drug of choice is zinc acetate, Hallowell-Spatz disease, and Huntington's chorea, treatment is tetrabenazine. And for drug-induced Parkinsonism, which is antipsychotic drugs like haloperidol and chlorpromazine, for that drug-induced Parkinsonism, drug of choice is benzhexol. And for normal Parkinson's disease, I said drug of choice is pramipexole. Do you think with this pramipexole the patient is going to be okay? I mean, is that a cure? No, it is never cure. As I told before that this is progressive disease, it is never coming to come down. So for example, the patient is diagnosed with Parkinson's disease at the age of 16. After using pramipexole for something around 10 to 15 years, patient will get resistance to the pramipexole. So change the drug to levodopa. So it converts in blood to dopamine. So this dopamine, it stimulates CTC, which causes vomiting. So to prevent the dopamine to mix in brain and prevent vomiting, give carbidopa. So there are many drugs. This is not a single drug. And let's go for pets, man. So Parkinsonism is marked by lack of which chemical? Dopamine. First symptom of Parkinson's disease, tremors, hand tremors. Okay. Diagnosis of Parkinson's disease, no MRI, no CT. This is going to be what? Neurological. Parkinsonism is associated with which metal? Manganese. Extrapyramidal symptoms best treated with medicines. Yes. What are the medicines? Pramipexole and so on. Levodopa. Frequency of resting tremor 4 to 6 Hz. Thanks.